If you're struggling to become a profitable trader and find a trading setup that gives you an edge over the market, guess what? I'm here to help you out with that. Since you like my previous videos, I asked ChatGPT to come up with these ideas of trading, but as you know, they are always not that perfect. So I did my own research on them, and here is what I'm about to tell you. In this video, I will test this strategy that gives a 99% winning ratio suggested by ChatGPT and reinforced by myself. I will backtest it 100 times with an account set at $100 with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. For my backtesting, I will use the price indicator setup of Ethereum to USDT in a 5-minute time frame. Okay, this strategy consists of 2 indicators, and now let's go and add them to our chart. For the first indicator, let's add the UTBot alert. This indicator is right here. Obviously, we need to change the settings, so let's set the key value at 2 and the ATR period at 6. Okay, so we can see that this is a really simple to read buy and sell indicator. It does not issue pretty good signals sometimes. We see that the very recent trade could have turned out to be really successful. And by the way, this is going to be our first confirmation indicator. And for the second indicator, we will need to add the STC indicator, a better MACD by this amazing scripter. We will need to change the setting on this indicator as well. So first, let's change the length from 12 to 80 and fast length from 26 to 27. In the star section, we will need to color these plots. All right. So the strategy is complete. Now let's get into the trading rules. So here are the rules for entering a long position. First, a new buy signal must be issued by the ATR alerts indicator. The STC line has to be positioned below this blue line, below this blue plot. The line also needs to be colored in green, and it has to be pointing upwards. And only when we have these conditions met, we can safely enter a long position. The stop loss will be set at the recent lowest price. For simplicity purposes, let's just set our take profit target at 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. The rules for entering a short position are exactly the opposite. First, a new sell signal must be printed above the price. The STC line has to be positioned above this yellow plot. The line needs to be a red color and it has to be pointing downwards. And if these conditions are met, we can enter a short position. The stop loss will be set at the recent highest price and we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Okay, let me give you some more examples so you have a better understanding. So let's first start with this buy signal here. We see the STC indicator confirms this signal, and this trade could easily have triggered a take profit target. This sell signal here is also valid, and again, we have another winning trade. Okay, so this buy signal is not valid because the STC line is not positioned below this blue plot. So we simply skip this signal. The next signal is confirmed. Okay, this buy signal is also valid. So this is where we start having some problems with the strategy. So we see that the sell signal was actually confirmed, and we clearly see that this was a losing trade. The next sell signal was also confirmed, and this is where we have another losing trade. So that's 4 wins against 2 losses, which is definitely pretty good. So let's actually do our backtesting and see how well this strategy would perform in different market conditions. Okay, backtesting is finished and here are the results. The win rate for the strategy is not 99%, it's only around 75%. Our account size has increased by this amount after 100 trades, which tells us that the strategy is definitely making some good money. So overall, I think the strategy is pretty good. Let me give you some tips on how to improve it. First of all, I'll try to eliminate trades where the overall trend direction is bearish, but the strategy is giving you a valid long entries. This is definitely not looking good. And I think in order to filter them out, we need to add a good baseline to the chart. But before that, if you want to trade crypto on one of the best crypto exchanges platform out there, I highly recommend to check out Bybit. It has one of the lowest fees out there, lots of good features. I talked about it previously, especially if you're a beginner. I highly recommend to watch my tutorial on Bybit, but it doesn't matter if you want to trade on other platforms, it's going to work out for you as well. The link for that video is down in the description. But if you want to take even more benefit out of trading on Bybit, you have a chance of winning up to $30,000 of a mystery box by just signing up into Bybit, and by using my affiliate link down in the description, you have an extra chance of winning an extra $5,000 worth of USDT. So don't miss this chance. All you need is just to sign up, do your KYC procedure, deposit at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. For that, you can use the whole suite indicator. You can either leave it on default settings or you can even make it a bit slower. Adding a baseline to the chart is always a good idea because it gives you more safety. Also, take a good look at how well it eliminated these two bad sell signals, because you wouldn't enter a short position when this line is green color. Now let's take a look at another backtesting, and I'm gonna share the results with you. Here's the improved version, backtest results, and as you can see, I almost reached 99% of winning ratio. And as you can see, here are the results with the same capital, same money management, risk management system. In conclusion, I would say this strategy is pretty good. However, if you want to get better results, I would highly suggest you backtest it with the indicators I just showed you. If you want to improve your risk management system, because as I'm always telling, if you want to be a successful trader, the least amount of importance goes to the trading strategy and the most importance goes to money management, risk management / psychology of the market. So if you want to know how to do that properly, make sure to watch this video link above here, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description. I previously made a completely dedicated course and session about risk management, how to properly do it, and there is everything you gotta need to know in there. Okay traders, I hope you enjoyed this video and found some value. If you did, all I'm asking is to take 2 seconds of your precious time and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and if you're looking for more strategies like this, make sure to turn the notification bell on so you're going to be the first to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on a daily basis. And you can also check this playlist over here, and there are tons of trading strategies there which gonna blow your mind away. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.